Yummy sugar canes, right? But their journey was not that easy. It was not from here. It was not from this farm. It was planted somewhere else. It multiplied, then transplanted back here. Now we have a whole lot of sugar canes. They are like 150 something or 90 something pits, ring pits. This is ring pit method. Everybody was against it, but he did it the way he knew it was better. And now everybody is praising the sugar canes. Why? Because it has grown and it looks nice. So whatever you want to do in life, just do it. Don't care what people will say. Just care what you know. If you know better, do it that way. Don't let people manipulate you or say things that may trigger you not to do what you want to do. Just do it. People must talk. Be it good, be it bad, be it they know it, be it they don't know it. They must talk. I used to wash my hair, but before that, somebody came for veges. Girls, we have them. We sell them to locals. So let's take it to that young mother. Then we come wash our hair. Where? These are the girls. But how? Where will I take it from? They are almost done. See, just a few leaves. Going here. I have accomplished my errand. Now let's go wash our hair. Let's go wash our hair. Tired, man. I'm tired, not far. It's like 3 minutes walk, but I'm tired. I'm going to wash this dirty hair. Hope you enjoy the washing in the village. Yes, we don't have that luxury salon stuffs to wash our hair. We do it locally here. and I don't want to go to the salon to wash, just to wash my hair for 50 shillings, Kenyan shillings. That is how much? Less than 50 cents. Less than 50 US cents. US dollars. 50 cents. USD. Yeah, less. But to me, that is much. Can buy data and upload a video for you guys. Yeah, so let's go wash our hair. Then save the next stuff. Maybe I will be chewing sugar. The sugar cane should. Yeah. And the journey of this sugar cane will not end from here. She still wants to transplant them again from here to a bigger farm. Then see the results, what it will look like. And it might bring him more much. So let's wait and see. Let's now untangle. Is it untangling? No. Detangling, I miss that combing, yes. But we want to undo this hairstyle now. It has served us for a long, long, long time. If I can remember, it's more than 4 weeks. 4 weeks with some days, yeah. So let's do this. Let me get the comb. me meet when I'm done. It's so tiring, but I will be done in. So, is it an hour or some minutes? When I'm done, come back to show how it looks. Tired. You are all welcome, my viewers, my people. You are welcome. We have a lot of fruits here. Pawpaw. We have bananas. We have sugar canes. We have, what are those? Pineapples. And I have some baby singing. I don't know if you can see it. I read them in this thing. Yes. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. I don't know if you can see them. Let's finish with this. Then we have some sugar cane. By this time, everybody wants the sugar cans. Those who are cursing, they don't curse anymore. They are just mesmerized with the project and they love it so much. Look at me now, enjoying the sugar cane. Why? Because they are there. So let's see what it will bring when it's transplanted from here to another farm. So please, if you want to grow with me in this journey of sugarcane replanting, come along and let's see what it will bring. If it will bring fortune, we celebrate along. If not, we look for another way to do things right? Yeah.